now what I'll do is I'll demonstrate a treble stitch. So I'm just going to pretend we're doing it in rows, and for a treble you need to chain 3 for a churning chain. That's the standard. Personally, I only use I only use 2. Now a treble stitch, you go over the hook first, hold the yarn into the stitch, yarn comes over and you engage. You pull it through the stitch, bring it all 3 then back to the thumb grip, yarn over again, and you pull it through 2 of the stitches so that you've got 2 left. Yarn over again and pull it through those 2. Now this is a lot longer stitch, and some people refer it to it as a granny stitch, but it's actually a UK treble. So again, over the yarn, into the stitch in the same way as we did for the double crochet, making sure you pick up both parts of the V, bring the yarn through, back to the thumb grip, you go over, through 2, back to the thumb grip and hold it, over, through 2. Now you'll notice I'm still holding it with my thumb and middle finger at the base of the stitch so that I have got control. If you don't hold it there, it's going to spin when you're trying to do your work. Even if you're holding it here, so you go over, you're going in, you're bringing it round, you come over, through 2, over, through 2. If you're not controlling it, this is sort of thing is what happens. It just spins. You have to control. Hold it here sometimes. Hold it right by the hook is the best place so that you can let go. Because all you're doing with your right hand is feeding the hook and telling it where to go. The majority of things are done with your left hand, with tension, holding the yarn, feeding it through. So that's a treble stitch. Okay, just finish the row, and again you will see that that is actually a stitch here down the side. There we go. Turn it